Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wish to do a full room tour of a Category 3B accessible Concierge Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and has a good amount of space for everyone.
And because it is accessible, you'll see the layout is very different than the other 3B category rooms. These are all a brand new category here on the Wish, and we absolutely love these rooms.
Let's go check it out.
So you can see the automatic door as we come in here does swing all the way open and stay open for just a minute for you. You also have the opener here inside the room. You can push that button to open that up if you need to. A very different layout here because it is accessible, so there's a lot more space in the room as you're walking around. When you first come into the room here over on the right, we've got a couple shelves, some storage space, and you can see the living room area here, very, very spacious. We've got a TV over there on the left wall, and then here on the left we have our Murphy bed. And next to the Murphy bed, there is a small little closet, some storage shelves in there. And then across from this side of the room, we have some chairs and a little table right in front of the massive windows all the way across. We've got a little coffee table here, a couch that folds down into a twin-size bed, and a pull-down upper berth that pulls down into a second twin-size bed. And of course, if you need any of these extra beds, your stateroom host will assist you getting those ready. We've got some closets in this room as well. Over here on this side, there's a closet rod with some hangers, and this is one of those pull-down closet rods. You can see we've got the plush concierge robes here in this room as well, and there's some storage space down below for your luggage. And then the next half of the closet, we've got some additional storage space. There's a shelf up top where you'll find some life jackets. You've got another closet rod. This one doesn't pull down. You've got a little shelf here for some storage, and then you have a safe down below. So you've got lots of space in this room for storage along with those 3 beds. The bathroom is also in this half of the room. It's right over here on the left when you come into the room. You've got a full-length mirror on the back of the door, and of course you've got the extra wide door to accommodate wheelchairs here. And you can see when we come into the bathroom here, there is a roll-in shower. The curtain wraps all the way around out here. They have the option for an emergency pull cord. If you'd like to activate that, they can hook on a little extension and make that lower for you. You've got the single shower head that is the adjustable shower head, and your stateroom host can help you set that to the proper height if it's a little bit too high at the time you come into the room. There's also a small bench down here in addition to the grab bars around the shower, and you can see they have those Elemis shower products in here because it's a concierge stateroom. We have a toilet in here with a couple grab bars on the side, and another one of those emergency pull cords next to the toilet. And then our sink is accessible as well with the space to slide underneath with a wheelchair if you need to. Good amount of counter space in here. You've got the Elemis soap and hand soap there. You also have a little scrub over here on these little shelves. You've got a single outlet in here that you can plug up your shavers and things to if you need. And then you have the lighted mirror there on the wall. Now we'll head into the bedroom area of the room. This is a very unique layout for this room, and it kind of gives you almost like a suite with the bedroom separate from the living room. You can see the windows continue all the way around here with that beautiful ocean view. Of course, you can pull the curtains back if you'd like, and it's not quite as forward on the ship as the other Category 3Bs, but you've still got a great view whether you're out at sea or in port. Now here in the room we do have a small little makeup desk. It's over here around the wall from the bed. There's a lighted mirror there as well as a small makeup mirror. You've got a couple outlets with USBs and a USB-C. You've got the 220 outlet there, and then you have your menu for ordering things from Concierge if you need anything in this room. Your in-room phone is also over here on this desk. As for the bed in this room, it is a king-size bed, and you can see it is much lower to the ground to assist with accessibility there. Not really any storage below for your luggage because there's not room for that, but there are other places in the room to store your luggage like the closets. You can see there's a TV at the foot of the bed there, and then on the right-hand side, we do have a connecting door to the next room, which is another 3B category room. The closet in here is an additional accessible closet. You can see it's got the pull-down closet rod with the little handle that you can pull and bring it down a lot lower, and then it automatically goes back up. A really nice feature to have. And then some more storage down below with a shelf there. Next to the bed, we have a little nightstand that has a drawer and some outlets there. There's a couple USBs and a USB-C, and then your little reading lamp and your regular lamp that has a little Mickey head on there. Our pillows in the room have these little Mickey heads embroidered on them too, so there's a couple little hidden Mickeys in the room. And then the room theming is Little Mermaid, so you'll see we have the big mural of the Little Mermaid on the back of the bed here, the Atlantica scene, lots of little sparkly elements to that with the additional little spotlight shining on it to make it shimmer a little bit. And then on this side of the bed we have the same type of nightstand, but our outlets are a little bit different. We have just 2 USBs and a 220 outlet, and then you have the emergency call button if you need to use that while you're here in the room, and the same setup with the lights there. And that's going to conclude our tour of this accessible Category 3B Concierge Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom here on the Disney Wish.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And check out the channel for tons of other tours. We've got most of the categories here on the Wish and a whole lot on the other Disney ships as well and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.